What's up YouTube, this is CobaltJustice bringing you another part of the Titanfall campaign. This time I'm going to be taking on Mission 2. Enjoy.
Sir, we haven't found any militia. Just a handful of civilians.
Copy that. Keep looking.
But I like the way these Spectres kill, eh? Next-gen automated infantry's the future. But taking out a bunch of civilians is hardly a test.
Sir, it looks like militia ships. They're deploying ground forces at the north end of the village.
And that's a real threat. Deploy 3 more racks of Spectres.
Get those other Spectres online. We've got militia pilots moving in from the east. Charlie squad is still rounding up colonists. We'll tell those metal bastards to wrap it up. We've got bigger fish to fry. Copy that.
Listen up, pilots. This will be a good test of our new Spectres. Prepare for a battle of attrition. Neutralize every militia unit in the area. Good luck.
Pardon. Your Titan will be ready in 2 minutes.
Vice Admiral Graves, the militia have accessed the distressed beacon logs. They're attempting to locate the remaining terrorists. Chris, you said this camp was wiped out. Find out where the rest of them went.
Your Titan will be ready in 60 seconds. Pardon. Your Titan will be ready in 30 seconds.
Be advised, the militia have a small lead in this fight, but there's still plenty of time to retake the initiative.
Your Titan is ready to drop. Signal when ready.
Sir, I've intercepted an enemy transmission. Voice only. Playing it now.
Looks like Mommy has gone a little close universe. We are not terrorists. We are not part of your damn war. We're followed by colonists. If you can hear me, do not engage the IMC. They can't be reasoned with.
Spyglass, intercept that signal and clean it up. know that voice, sir? It's the voice of a dead man. Find out where it's coming from.
Damage core online. Warning, heavy damage incoming. Warning, reactor unstable.
Impressive. You just took down an Atlas. Bring it down.
Sir, the broadcaster is using an unknown encryption format. I will require more time to triangulate his position.
Very well. Let's turn that colony upside down if you have to. Here's this guy. His name is James McCallan, former IMC commander. He's wanted for mutiny. Find him. Simba! We're getting destroyed out here. We've got to do whatever it takes to turn it around. That's 2 in a row.
Warning, high damage sustained.
We've lost 6 battle pilots. Pull back to the evac point. If there are more terrorists out there, we'll find them soon enough. Vice Admiral Graves, I have the enemy transmission. Patching in.
We didn't want any party or war. Brought it to our doorstep. Those are civilians getting slaughtered.
McCallan. Spyglass, open a channel.
Yes, sir. Channel open, Vice Admiral.
You should have stayed gone, McCallan.
Graves, you're still on the wrong side, aren't you?
We're soldiers, Mac. You're dreaming if you think you can sit it out.
I'm awake now, you son of a bitch.